talk about camping. Name for camping is Funny Camping. And slogan is Let's go camping and have fun. About the destination, High Mountain Campsite. The fun-filled campsite is location in the middle of the front of the mountain, and you find the signboard follow the sign until you reach the campsite. Camping activities 1. Campfire night. Sing a song, tell story, and roast marshmallow. 2. Game with friends. Play fun and enjoy time together. 3. Fishing and have fun. 4. Cooking and roasting barbecue. Let's cooking food and roast a yummy barbecue. 5. Play sport and exercise. Contributing, sleeping bag, tent, flashlight, water bottle, backpack, extra clothes, first aid kit and sunscreen. Safety trip. Be careful not to accidentally eat the raw mushroom. Watch out for dangerous animals or by the guide. Live peacefully and avoid conflict. Estimated cost. Camp fee 30 baht. Meal 55 baht. Activity 45 baht. Hotel 50 baht. Total 145 baht. Join us. Contact us. 067 5851 888 family at activity.com. Instagram at camp.activities. Sign up by the October 20, 2026. Don't miss out. My white shoes. High Mountain Campsite. Beautiful view of the mountain. Fun activity for everyone. Safe and family friendly. Meet